All right, 4 o'clock in the afternoon on the 14th of July 2021. Here we are at the Grey Street job, or Grey Road job at West End, and we put some posts in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so far. 11. I've just gone around, I don't know if you can see that. I've just put the Interplus 1180 on all the posts, so it's ready for concrete. And those ones in that footing, they've got to get painted all the way to the top later, because they're inside a block wall. So I'll do that after they're in concrete. But at least we just got to bring the concrete up to the bottom of that cut there. That's the footing, bottom of footing. We bring it up to there on Friday. Today's Wednesday. There'll be another job to go over at Paddington tomorrow, as we keep on working on that one, get the beams up at the back. But on this one, we're getting that, and of course to make it even more difficult, we don't have a generator for welding yet, because it's just too hard to bring it in. So we're taking the posts home that we need, like that one there, and there's one around the corner of that sty there that we got to put in yet on Friday morning. So we've got enough posts in to hold everything up, but we're going to take them home and weld the bases on them. So they're in the truck now. And then all that stuff down there gets done next week. Make it easy. All we want to do is, what we're trying to do is get this done so it's ready for the builder to get the concreter in and do his footings. Get all that done. He's got some more footings down there. I was hoping to get those in tomorrow, but I'm not going to get around to it. Too much work. Get those on Friday. I don't think I'll get there. I'll see how I go. Might be lucky. But yeah, play it by ear, see what happens. Alrighty, that's where we're at. Thought I'd just do a quick run through, showing you their end. And yeah, home time. Go home, grab your roller, and they're ready. Hopefully all ready to go on Friday morning when we get back. With the concrete pump here at 12. I'll try and do a video then as we pump them all in. Should be good. Just I think it's about 2.5 meters. That's our first load. So we go with that. Okay. Thanks guys. Thanks for joining us. And please, yeah, you know the story. Every video says it. The like and the subscribe button would much appreciated. Love yous. Catch you again soon. Bye.